I talked to some people that actually work with MSPs, which is basically the managed service providers, and they were characterizing of of they had eight characteristics of their employees and what they struggle with on a day-to-day basis of process and et cetera and et cetera and et cetera, and working with customers and having issues. But the number one and number two issues that they had in the MSPs was tracking activities and accountability of their people. And that's it's pretty much consistent with the utility industries I've worked with. That's consistent with the automotive industries I've worked with. The enterprise industries, it always seems to boil down to tracking activities and accountability. But yet, as I've managed huge programs in the past, I wonder why the VQ cover tool isn't incorporated. So because it's so easy to incorporate in the compilation and just put it in there to give you the report that knocks out accountability. And I'm not understanding exactly why VCube's cover tool and even our competitors' cover tools are not putting these positions to eliminate the need for tracking activities and worrying about accountability, because you're actually getting that in a report that's generated, and it's not taking any time or effort to do. That's but it's interesting that we all are hypocrites sitting in our worlds thinking that our industries are special, because as V cubed as does on a daily basis, we reach across multiple industries. As I said, the utility industries are the same as the MSP industries, as the automotive industries. We all have the same problems, and it all boils down to our software and our software stability. And we have to do the fundamentals, build our stuff up properly to start with. Otherwise, it doesn't matter what industry we're going to be in, we're going to fail the same as what everyone is executed with. The one in last and closing subject, the best one that I actually enjoyed this week was the multi-million-dollar Capri Sun Tycoon super yacht crashing into the marina because of a computer failure. The, this is too easy. You've got a 235-foot super yacht that a computer went down and crashed into the marina. That's going to cost to fix the boat probably $25,000 to $50,000 minimum. And you're in a marina, and you've got this big 235-foot yacht. Now, what happens when you have a computer that fails in an autonomous car on the road? How many computers are in the car? The last time I looked at how many microcontrollers, it was like 235. So one of those go down can still happen the same as this nice 235-foot yacht and start hitting things. So we have to take precautions, and we have to build foundations in our code, the way we test, how we test, what we're doing. It just, we have to do something different than what we've done in the past. Because if this huge boat loses one computer, it can happen on the 100 million vehicles that are traveling across the globe on a daily basis. It's not that hard. That boat, and it's back to the press. Why isn't the press emphasizing this? Because the computer that was running the boat was actually autonomous mode. Yeah,
Right.
it
Well, it doesn't
wasn't the
happen. It
captain.
doesn't happen every day. That's the reason.
Yeah, and then we all sit back and go, "Oh, this poor son of a bitch that's got billions of dollars got to pay $20,000 to fix his boat." No, that's not the point. The point is the captain did his job and thought that everything was going to work, and it didn't.
It's like airplanes.
Yeah,